You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French. How do you say the name, which is usually pronounced as Denis in English, but in French? For more French pronunciation, stay tuned. Denis is the French pronunciation, so let's break it down. De, you have this very specific E sound, which is very characteristic of French. Denis, a silent S, so it's not Denis. Denis is how you say Denis in French. French pronunciation, Denis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.